Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's session is about how to attach Azure Disk to Azure VMs. Let's start our session. Open Chrome, log in into the portal.azure.com. Yeah, it's successfully login. We need to create a VM first. Click on virtual machines, create virtual machines. Select your subscription and create your resource group. So I am creating resource group as test-grp and click on OK. I'm giving load VM1 and selecting Central US, not this one, Central US. I'm selecting Windows Generation 1 standard, okay? And then size is, and the username is demo user and password is VA, okay? Then you click on HTTP, click on disk. So default, when we are creating any virtual machine, OS disk will be like SSD premium. If you want to change, you can change standard SSD or standard HSD. But this is a demo session, so I am creating with premium SSD only. Click on networking, management, advanced, tags, disk. I am giving an example disk. Yeah. Click on review. Once review is validation is successful, then click on create. So from the notification window, you can see each and everything what's happening when we click on create button. So it's submitting a deployment. Once submitting deployment is successful, then it will deployment is in progress. While creating this, it will create public IP address and network security group, and then disk, and then VM also. You can see everything here. Please wait a minute. See, network security group is created, IP is created, VNet is created, in VNet subnet also will be created. See now load VM1 is creating. So say deployment is successful. Go to click on resources. You can see each and everything like resource group status, location, subscription, and size and OS type, and public IP address also. Okay. So let's connect to VM. So download the RDP. RDP is nothing but remote desktop. Click on open. Click on connect. More choices. Enter your username and password and credentials. Click on OK. It will ask the certificate. Yes. Secure one. Click on yes. Now VM is set up. You can see each and everything. Windows will be coming here. And then while restarted or while we restarted the machine, the server manager will pop up. See, server manager is opening up, and at the same time we'll go to the my computer. Meanwhile, click on this PC. You can see the system defined drive and temporary storage drive. Computer PC. Open this PC. Click on this PC. You can see two drives. One is C drive and then D drive. C drive belongs to OS and the D drive will be temporary storage. So we are going to attach E drive also from the Azure Portal. Okay. Go to the disk. DISK disk, or else you can go to the load VM. Click on disk here. Okay. So we need to attach a new disk. Click on this attach a new disk. So disk name will be disk VM1. So I am giving 4 gigabytes. So I am selecting storage type as premium SSD. Click on save. So it will take some time to create a disk and attach to the load VM. Okay, so it will take some time. Once it is done, then you can see in your system. Okay, let's wait. So deployment is in progress. You can see. So successfully created disk, updating to VM. VM which is successfully. Let's refresh. Okay, now it's came here. Let's log in into the system once. Refresh the window, but here you are not able to see. At that time you need to go to the server manager, files and storage, disk. So it's loading here. See, so this is the system defined Windows level, and then this is storage one. So which we have created this one. We are right clicking on this, initialize, click on yes. Once it is initialized, then click on uValue, next, next, next. So it is asking, I am giving E, drive E. E is not there, so F it is taking. Click on next, next, and create. So you can see the status, what's happening here. Close. Now, with 4 gigabytes hard disk, F drive is been attached to the this PC. Let's check it out. See. Okay. So this is the end of our video. If you have any issues, please let me know by dropping a comment or else drop a mail to me, which appears on the screen. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.